This software is like magic. By dragging my mouse from left to right or right to left, I can create sound effects from the very base. Which means you don't need to download sound effects again. Or maybe you are a filmmaker or video editor unable to find specific sound effects. Now you can create sound effects on your computer. This software is called Krotos Studio and it has two versions, free version and paid version. And guess what? The best part is you can get away with free version for most of the stuff. But if you are working on a production side, then you can get the paid version.